Hey guys, it's Kent back with another reaction video. This is a patron request from Gregory. He wanted to see Tang, Xiao, and Zhou, Shen perform Doomsday Spaceship on what looks to be like a reality show or something like that. I couldn't, obviously decipher everything. But I'm super excited to check out this performance. As for an update on me, I've been under quarantine in Michigan. You can tell by my terrible quarantine beard. So I have been keeping up with as much as possible, but with a 5-year-old in tow, it's been really hard to keep up on the videos. So I'm going to make sure that I get at least the Patreon and PayPal requests covered into the future, but at least it's something. I know I would love to be providing more content for you guys, but family always comes first, as I'm sure you can understand. I've been managing to duck and dodge and weave the coronavirus. I really hope you have been too. But enough of all that nonsense. Let's do some escapism and check out this video.
不再有彗星划过宇宙，不再有阳光刺激午后，不再有人去歌颂自由，我们都登上这艘船，能飞多远？我爱的人向你告别。我飞入宇宙，向末日漂流，原谅我的错，所有的荒谬都消失在那幸运之后。我飞向宇宙，背对着洪流，松开你的手，什么都不带走，给自己一场最温柔的复仇。La gloria di colui che non vede soppetra risplende in una parte più e meno altrove. Dice che più te la sua luce prende fuoco, e vedi cosa che dire, gli sa dei pochi di là su ti scende. 我飞入宇宙，能不能得救？在告别之后，自由和占有，最后摧毁的片甲不留。我飞入宇宙，向末日漂流，拯救我的船，所有的荒谬都消失在那幸运之后。我飞向宇宙，背对着洪流，最后剩下我什么都没有，末日的飞船载着我的骨
Man, that was awesome. I have not seen anything that I can recall that's remotely like that It had a very like techno electronica feel to it, but obviously brought in like the amazing voices of both of them. And it did have that kind of like space, otherworldly feeling to it. I could also see it being remixed into like a faster like house or trap music song. It's just really, really, really good. I wish I could understand the lyrics, obviously, but I didn't really need to feel the emotion being conveyed. And it was just a very cool song that felt like it had a story to it. Again, if I could understand the lyrics, I'm sure I'd be able to understand the story more. But there was so much emotion. I loved the music that it was mixed with. I really liked the lights as well. It just really enhanced this performance, and overall, I just thought it was really, really great. So I enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed it too. If you did, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment down below with your thoughts on this performance. Then head on over to mishkent.com to submit your requests, upvote requests you'd like to see. Check out Facebook, Patreon, PayPal, all good ways to support the channel. All of them immensely appreciated. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys on the next reaction video.